Hi there, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the updated version of the coffee scale from MHW-3Bomber, known as Formula Smart. It is having a more advanced main chip, updated functions like being able to automatically detect water flow and start timing, having a battery capacity of 1200 mAh. There are two colors options, black or white. The selling price is very affordable considering the features and build quality. Now for the unboxing. User manual. The scale. Silicone mat. Type-C charging cable. The physical power switch and the Type-C charging port are at the back. You can turn the sound on or off via the power switch. LED display. Body is made of high quality ABS. Matte finish stainless steel top panel. There are 4 round non-slip mats at the bottom for stability and better grips. Minimum weight to activate the scale is 0.03 gram and the maximum load weight is 2 kg. Here are the dimensions. For charging, use a power adapter with an output of 1A to 2A. Do not use fast charger as will cause damage to the scale. There are 2 smart modes with data display alternately for pour over and espresso after the extraction. Here's a summarized video on the features, functions and smart modes for your easy understanding. After watching this detailed video on the Formula Smart scale, are you impressed with the features and functions? Would you consider buying it? Share your comments and thoughts down below. Thank you so much for watching.